A leader in mining has risen on the eastern shores of Peninsular Malaysia. Using best proven practices, unleashing unique potential, with the commitment to bringing out the best product. True to our name, we are proudly known as Aras Kuasa Sendirian Berhad and its group of companies. Located in the idyllic city of Kuantan, Pahang, we began as a promising medium-sized limestone mining company. Aras Kuasa is dedicated to increasing the net worth of its stakeholders by building on our strong business acumen and network. In addition to the main iron ore mining activities, we are supported by a reliable transportation and logistics division. We also offer unparalleled engineering works for mining machinery to counterparts in Malaysia. Since 2012, we invested more than 100 million ringgit in better and more sophisticated mining machinery and plant. Located in Johor Darul Taksim, the Cha'a mine is currently our largest mining site. We began mining here in 2008 within an area of 258 acres. Now we have effectively increased our mining coverage to more than 1,500 acres. The mining of iron ore is a complex process. It requires a great amount of expertise, finance, experience, and the right equipment. Before a mining area is developed, the precise area must be identified. At this stage, geological and mining expertise play important roles in ensuring that the target areas contain high-grade quality iron ore. One of the phases of area exploration is the preparation of a comprehensive, detailed, and accurate geological map, which often starts with basic instruments like the tape and compass. The accuracy can be enhanced by using air photos to help locate outcrops, major fault zones, and basic topographical control. A survey is done by marking points for blasting, which will be cleared to drill holes. The blasting session is initiated after all safety measures have been taken. Next, all blasted materials are collected by hydraulic excavators, loaded onto dumper trucks and transferred to the stockpile. As the iron ore excavated is of different sizes, the huge ones are first disintegrated into medium-sized iron ore bits using the breaker machine. After this process, the medium-sized iron ore bits are directly loaded onto lorries and taken to the crushing machines. The medium-sized iron ore is then crushed into a finer form. As for the smaller-sized iron ore, it undergoes a screening process to be further crushed. Once the crushing processes are completed, the iron ore will go through a final screening stage at the screening machine site. The final products will be of two sizes, 6mm and 10mm. To ensure the products meet the stringent quality requirements for the market, samples are taken to our lab for testing purposes. The iron ore that is not suitable for pipe coating industries will be sent to the upgrading plants for further processing. The Cha'a mine is proof of our expertise and experience in the mining industry. The crushed iron ore in sizes of between 6mm to 10mm can either be used for pipe coating or as raw material for further concentration by employing a new technique which can concentrate the iron ore up to grade Fe62 and above. Upon processing, the iron ore is loaded onto lorries to be weighed at the weighing station. For quality assurance, another sample test is done before the lorry leaves. Currently, our products are being supplied to several international companies in Malaysia and overseas for pipe coating as well as for steel mill usage. Exported iron ore is sent overseas via Kuantan Port, Tanjung Langsat and Pasir Gudang. Prior to delivery to overseas clients, samples of the iron ore undergo some tests by an independent lab at Gebeng, Kuantan and Pasir Gudang. The tests are conducted to guarantee that the commodity meets the overseas quality and standard requirements. In our efforts to help preserve and conserve the quality of our natural environment, all forms of waste from our mining operations are processed and disposed of in accordance with Malaysia's laws and regulations. We have acquired an additional 600 acres of land for this purpose. We are recognized by the government for the best mining practice in Johor Darul Taksim. We are pleased to have received the Excellent Certificate in Surface Mining Operation from the Minerals and Geoscience Department, Malaysia, for the mining operation in Johor, and also the approval for the MC Land Certificate for 21 years. We provide a comprehensive set of facilities for our workers and their families, some of which include the well-maintained Muslim prayer room, temple and church, comfortable workers' barracks, a canteen, and a fully equipped workshop that has been built to cater to our own needs. We strongly believe in encouraging our employees to achieve a work-life balance. We believe that a happy workforce equates to higher productivity. We are among the pioneers in the mining industry to employ female truck operators. Throughout the years, we have excelled in safeguarding our service and product quality. Currently, we are the proud owner of a workshop in Semambu, Kuantan, which is responsible for repairing our machinery and lorries. This workshop is equipped with in-house facilities to ensure our entire distribution network flows smoothly. We are also dedicated to continuously serve the needs of our stakeholders through various collaborations, which include the recent MOU signing with China Non-Ferrous Metal Geology and Mining Company Limited, CNGMC, to establish a joint venture in Malaysia for the purpose of exploring and identifying new mining opportunities in the Asian region. We never stop exploring new opportunities, and this has led us to our latest ventures: gold, galena mining, tin ore, manganese and bauxite. Located in Tanah Merah, Kelantan, we began the exploration of gold mining on more than 900 acres of land in early 2016. The exploration geologists carry out geological mapping works, soil sampling, trenching, and even use the geophysics method to identify the potential area. Once the geologists have identified the potential areas, drilling is carried out. The result will be integrated into a software which processes and generates the ore body, hence computing the volume of ore. We have invested over 20 million ringgit in this project since the beginning. We are also proud to be the first and largest galena miner in Malaysia, located at Lepar Hilir, Pahang. We started operations in 2012 on 500 acres of land. We have invested 20 million ringgit for this mining activity. Using a diamond core drill, long vertical sections of the core can be extracted from deep in the ground, which can then be analyzed at the surface by geologists. Then the ore body can be delineated into 3 dimensions. This determines whether the prospect is economically viable. This is usually one of the last stages of exploration. At our core shed in Semambu, the core is analyzed using a wide range of petrological, structural and mineralogical techniques. Extracted core is first washed and macroscopic features are logged by core shed geologists. The core is then cut and samples are sent for chemical analysis. We are also honoured to own the biggest manganese mine in Malaysia. Located in Aring, Kelantan, we started here in 2011. We have invested 30 million ringgit in the latest equipment for the processing of the manganese ore to make sure the quality meets the standard requirements for the market. We operate our factory on a 24-hour basis to ensure adequate supply throughout the country. Located in Sungai Lembing, Pahang, we began the mining of tin ore on 400 acres of land since 2014. We produce more than 50 million tons of tin ore in a month for the market. The tin ore is scooped and loaded onto the lorries, which transport it to the stockpile. It is then dumped into the washer for separation of the tin ore and waste. After separation, the tin ore is transferred to the shaker table to make sure only pure tin ore is collected. After this process, the ore is left to dry, after which it is transported to the market. Located in Johor Darul Taksim, we have established our strength in the mining of bauxite since 2017. We also have a mining site in Pago and Senai. We have also established a processing plant in Pengerang as well. This makes us experts in bauxite mining. Our production plant can produce 70,000 tons per month. We are fully equipped to process the bauxite before it is sent to the port in Batu Pahat. The total site measures 2,400 acres. We exported more than 400,000 tons of bauxite in the year 2018. As a responsible company, our lorries are washed before leaving the mining site to ensure a safe and clean environment according to the rules and regulations. We believe the most effective social and charitable investments are made through strategic relationships with organizations dedicated to serving our communities. Day in and day out, a healthy business can only succeed in a healthy society. Thus, it is in our best interest to produce only goods and services which strengthen the health of society. As our corporate social responsibility, we give back to our football team in Pahang. We have been the main sponsors for Persatuan Bola Sepak Pahang since 2014. Our priority has always been to provide premium products, services and innovations which would bring the utmost satisfaction to our domestic as well as global clients. With smart strategies and planning in place, Aras Kuasa is proud to be on its way to become one of the leading mining corporations in the Asian region.